Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pixelated video in Premiere Pro, step by step. If your footage is looking blurry or low quality, don't worry. I've got a couple of simple tricks to help improve the sharpness and clarity. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, drag your video onto the timeline and head over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Sharpen and drag it onto your video clip. Then scroll down and apply the Unsharp Mask effect as well. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the settings. Set the Sharpen amount to 50, the Unsharp Mask amount to 100, and the radius to 5. These two effects combined will give your footage a noticeable boost in sharpness and improve the overall video quality. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this a try on your next project, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.